Hi and welcome. Does your scalp itch like crazy and you have an embarrassing amount of flakes in your hair? If so, then you could be suffering from dandruff. Dandruff is a common skin condition that affects people across the world. It's not just about dry skin on the scalp, it may also affect other parts of the body such as behind the ears, around or near eyebrows, and on shoulders. In this video, we will explore how to get rid of dandruff at home using simple natural remedies that are proven effective. Start by washing your hair with a mild shampoo. Try to avoid using any other products on the scalp such as creams, conditioners, or shampoos that contain scents for now until you know if they are contributing factors. Apply some olive oil and massage it into the skin of your head in circular motions twice daily before bedtime. This will help get rid of dryness on the scalp and reduce inflammation, two major causes of dandruff. Avoid greasy foods which can exacerbate this problem, such as French fries. If those tips don't seem to be working after a few weeks, then try taking turmeric supplements. Just make sure to drink plenty of water while doing so. Make an oatmeal bath by blending oatmeal in a blender and adding it to your regular bath water. Oats are great for the skin as they will exfoliate the scalp, remove dead cells from the follicles, and hydrate dry patches of skin, effectively combating dandruff. Eat healthy food with plenty of vegetables like broccoli or carrots. These foods provide minerals that can help improve the health of your hair while also fighting against inflammation on your scalp, which is one cause of dandruff. Try out apple cider vinegar diluted with purified water on damp hair before drying off completely. Avoid using heat. This mixture helps get rid of excess oils left behind because most commercial shampoos contain chemicals that strip away our natural oil, leaving our skin dry and itchy. The apple cider vinegar will help restore some of that natural oil to the scalp, which may reduce dandruff. What do you do for dandruff? Let us know in the comments. If you want a quick fix, try using tea tree shampoo for up to 2 weeks at a time or until symptoms have passed. Tea tree is an essential oil found in many household products like soaps, shampoos, lotions, etc. It's naturally antifungal and antimicrobial, with healing properties that can be applied directly onto your skin, although I would recommend diluting it first. Try out baking soda on damp hair before drying off completely if you're looking for another solution. This ingredient has antifungal qualities as well, but isn't always recommended if you're prone to yeast infections. Also, coconut oil can be helpful. It's an antibacterial and natural anti-inflammatory with many benefits for the scalp, hair, skin, you name it. Olive oil is great for dandruff because it has a natural anti-inflammatory effect. It is rich in vitamin E, which can help moisturize your hair and skin. Avoid using any products that contain alcohol, fragrances, or sulfates on your head to try and get rid of dandruff. These ingredients can exacerbate the problem by drying out and irritating your scalp. If none of these natural remedies work for you, then I recommend visiting a dermatologist or your primary physician who can prescribe an appropriate treatment that works best for your skin type. Subscribe. It makes it easy to find us again. And also, if you like this video, scroll down now, and enjoy more information in the description below.